In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save conversations in Google AI Studio. First, log into your Google AI Studio account and go to the main workspace. Once you are inside, open a chat with the AI model you want to use. After the chat is open, click into the message box and type your prompt or message. When your message is ready, click Run or submit the prompt to send it. Now wait a moment while Google AI Studio generates the response. After the reply appears, you can continue the conversation by sending more messages if needed. This helps create a full chat thread that will be easier to recognize later in your history. Google AI Studio typically saves your conversation automatically as you use it. To check that the chat has been saved, refresh the page in your browser. Give the page a moment to reload fully. Once everything loads again, look to the left side of the screen for the chat history panel. This area shows your previously saved conversations. Scroll through the list if needed and find the conversation you just created. When you see it, click on the conversation name in the history panel. The chat should open again in the main workspace. Review the messages to confirm that the full conversation is still there and accessible. If you want to revisit older chats, you can also browse the other saved conversations in the same history panel. Simply click any conversation from the list to open it. This makes it easy to return to past prompts, review earlier responses, or continue working from where you left off. The most important thing to remember is that you usually do not need to manually save each conversation in Google AI Studio. As long as the platform is working normally and you are signed in, your chats are generally stored automatically and can be opened later from the history section. To make sure everything worked, open your recent conversation one more time and confirm that it loads without any issues. If it does, then your conversation has been saved successfully and you can access it again whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.